Hey, Phil K with Rolling Barge here. Today we're going to talk about bridges and how we ship our bridges. So if you take a look at here, we have a pallet. This pallet is 8 feet long and about 4 feet wide. This pallet currently has a bridge that will assemble to 16 feet long and 6 foot wide. This is what we call our medium 42 bridge. This bridge is going to have a 42-inch handrail. This bridge is rated to carry 3,000 pounds of live load. That's 3,000 pounds of people or vehicles, ATVs or horses. In addition to that live load, it's also been engineered to handle 50 pounds per square foot of snow. So the entire bridge is shipped on this pallet. The bridge frame itself weighs 500 pounds, including the pallet and the packaging. The total weight of this shipment here is 575 pounds. This box contains the assembly instructions, and it also contains all of the fasteners that will be used to assemble this bridge. So this is complete. The only thing that you need to provide with this bridge is the deck, and we recommend a treated plywood deck, probably 3/4 inch or thicker if you're going to use it with horses. So there you have it, rolling barge bridge on a pallet.